everyone, I am glad to see you on my channel. And if you are here for the first time, my name is Twaja and I make DIY videos for home decor, and I love doing that just like you do. So I make videos every single week, and if you want to be part of my journey, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and watch my other videos. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I worked on this air dry clay. Because everything is closed here, I do not have any supplies to work on, and just like you, I have seen many videos about working on air dry clay and making bowls and trays and plates after it. So I have used that clay before in one of my videos about wall hanging, but I have never had such kind of tray or plate to work on. So I worked on that, and it's not the clay that comes in a white color. It is the clay that I got from dollar store, which is just a pottery clay, I would say. It comes in a gray color, and once it's dry, it turns out a little bit white. On top of it, I'm gonna be showing you how durable is that, because when I made it previously, I did not have an issue with that, but and when I worked on that today, it broke my heart. So, without wasting a minute, let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I am using this dollar store clay. I took out a chunk from it and rolled it nice and thick with rolling pin. Then to make a design, I had this polar palm tree leaf. I put that on a rolled clay and pressed it gently and evenly with rolling pin. I wanted to make that like bowl, so I placed a bowl on that print, made a cut out of it easily in a round shape. I followed the same process in the second piece, but in that piece, I placed the dragon tree leaves. I arranged them in an aesthetic way, and the rest of the process you know already. But in this one, I wanted to make a plate kind of shape, but a little deeper than tray. So I had this earthenware pot tray. I placed a piece in it, and make the surface look smoother, I cut the edges with precision knife. It was a little sharp when I cut that, so I ran over the edges with the wet fingertips and to make it somewhat non-sharp. And for third one, clay was almost dried, even though I tried to make a bowl out of it. So I had this foam ring, which I thought can make a perfect bowl shape. So I simply placed that on a roll. Simply placed the rolled clay on that foam ring and cut those dried edges. Next morning, when it was dried, I realized that they were shrunk. Anyhow, I decided to keep working on it, and I sanded each of them nicely and started to paint them. I chose three colors to make it look aesthetic. White for the base, green for the leaves, and rose gold just for edges. I painted all the pieces in the white first, and then used the green colors to paint it just for the leaves. For the piece, I did not have leaves design. I painted them just like we paint normally. And lastly, to elevate this look, I painted the edges with rose gold. And this is how I made it. So, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. And the conclusion is this clay is very easy to work on, but it's not durable because when I worked before, it worked pretty well for me. The clay pieces are still there, it's not broken. But when I was working on it today, it got broken many times, like 2-3 times. It's just that I glued it and stick it all together. But if you're going to use this clay piece for like everyday use, I would suggest not to make anything out of it because it's not durable. I would rather use the clay that comes in a white color, that comes in a red packaging. So I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and if you really have, please give it a like and comment under the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video.